Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Stake app on your phone. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, from your Play or App Store, go ahead and open it up and then click search. And then from here, type in Stake. And now here you go, Stake is available for me to download and install. And if you don't see Stake here, if I go to my notes here, Stake is where countries where stake.com is restricted. So you got all these different countries, including Afghanistan, Belarus, Belgium, Brazil, Colombia, Cuba. So if you reside in any one of those countries or regions, you might not be able to download and install the Stake app. But in saying that, so just click into Stake, click on the blue install button. That's going to download and install Stake onto your mobile device. Once it's downloaded and installed, simply go ahead and open up your Stake app and create a new account or simply sign in.